Close your eyes and listen, that high-pitched, crisp, metallic rip echoing off the burns. There is simply nothing like the sound of a 125cc two-stroke. Pinned wide open, it's the sound of pure mechanical joy. A siren song for anyone who grew up smelling premix in the morning. For decades, the KTM 125SX has been the gateway to greatness. The bike that teaches you how to carry momentum, how to dance on the shifter, and how to respect the power band. But for 2026, KTM isn't just resting on its ready-to-race laurels. They've taken the most agile bike in their lineup and added a layer of refinement that makes the old-school, carb-fiddling days feel like ancient history. If you think small-bore bikes are just for juniors, or riders who haven't quite graduated to a 250 yet, the 2026 model is here to prove you dead wrong. This isn't just a bike, it's a precision instrument, designed to carve through the competition. With the surgical accuracy of a scalpel, the 125cc class is experiencing a massive renaissance. While the 450s offer raw arm-stretching power, they can be exhausting to manhandle for 30 minutes plus 2 laps. The 125SX, on the other hand, offers a different kind of thrill. It's about the connection between the rider and the machine. It's about being rewarded for every perfect gear change and punished for every mistimed brake tap. For 2026, KTM has focused on bridging the gap between the raw, visceral nature of a two-stroke and the high-tech, reliable performance of a modern racing machine. This isn't just about going fast. It's about how the bike makes you feel while you're doing it. Pure power, no jets required. The heart of the 2026 KTM 125SX remains the fuel-injected 124.8cc powerhouse that changed the game. When KTM first introduced electronic fuel injection feed to their Motocross two-strokes, there was skepticism. Purists missed their brass jets and the ritual of tuning for altitude. But let's be honest, who actually misses bogging out? Because the temperature dropped 10 degrees this year. It's all about the little things that make a massive difference on race day. The 2026 power plant features a refined FE mapping that smoothens out the transition from the bottom end into that legendary mid-range hit. It feels more linear, almost four-stroke like in its predictability, until you hit the pipe and the world starts moving backward very, very quickly. KTM has also addressed durability in ways that only factory racers usually notice. They've introduced a new fuel line protector cap and a redesigned wiring harness routing. It sounds like a minor technical update, but here's what it means for you. More reliability in the deep mud, less chance of a freak electrical snag ending your moto, and a bike that is easier to wash without worrying about sensitive connections. The KNFE system continues to pair perfectly, with the electronic power valve giving you a power delivery so broad, you'll swear you're riding something with more displacement. The power valve adjusts in real time, based on engine RPM and throttle position, ensuring that you have the optimal port timing, whether you're lugging it through a tight corner or screaming down the start straight. A new look with a throwback twist. Visually, the 2026 model is an absolute head-turner. KTM has leaned heavily into what they call a revitalized orange aesthetic. It's brighter, punchier, and screams factory even if you're just a weekend warrior. But the real surprise and the detail that has the paddock talking is the inclusion of deep purple accents on the tank, spoilers, and fork guards. For the younger crowd, it's just a cool modern color contrast. But for the veterans, it's a beautiful, subtle nod to the iconic KTM styling of the mid-1990s. It's a way of honoring the heritage of the two-stroke, while firmly planting its feet in the future. The ergonomics have also seen a stealthy overhaul. KTM has worked on the rider triangle to make the bike feel even narrower between the legs. The black powder-coated frame isn't just for show. It's a high-strength chromoly steel masterpiece that provides the perfect amount of longitudinal stiffness. The seat cover has a new, high-grip texture that keeps you planted during seat bounce jumps. And the radiator closures have been standardized across the entire SX range. This makes the bike more modular and easier to maintain. Every plastic panel, every bolt, and every sticker feels like it was placed there with one goal: to shave weight and increase speed. It's a bike that looks fast, even when it's sitting silently on the pit stand, handling that defies gravity. When it comes to the chassis, the 2026 KTM 125SX remains the king of agility. If a 450 is a sledgehammer, the 125SX is a rapier at just 92 kilo. This bike defies the laws of physics. You can change lines mid-corner with a flick of your wrists, and you can put the front wheel on a dime. For 2026, the WPX ACT 48mm air forks and the rear shock have received refined internal settings. KTM's engineers have focused on improving comfort, without sacrificing hold-up. In plain English, that means the bike absorbs the small, high-frequency chatter of a dry, baked out track better than ever. But it still won't bottom out when you overjump a triple. What truly sets this bike apart from the competition is the tool-free adjustability. We've all been there. The track dries out. It gets rough and you know you need to click your suspension. But your tools are back at the truck. With the 2026 KTM, you can literally click your way to a perfect setup. While sitting on the starting gate, the hand-adjustable compression and rebound clickers allow for instant feedback. The central double cradle steel frame acts as a secondary suspension component, absorbing the harsh energy of a landing and feeding it back to the rider as manageable feedback. It gives you the confidence to charge into sections that would make you hesitate on a heavier machine. The secret surprise, the digital mechanic. Now for the surprise we promised, that will change how you look at small bore racing forever. For 2026, KTM has made the connectivity unit off-road CUO more integrated and accessible than ever before in previous years. This was something reserved for the factory edition bikes. But for 2026, the 125SX is pre-configured to sync with the KTM Connect app. With zero hassle, this isn't just a gimmick. It's a factory rider level of data analysis right on your smartphone. Imagine pulling off the track after a 20-minute moto and being able to see exactly where you were losing time. The QO tracks your GPS position, lap times, and even your throttle position and gear selection. But the real kicker, the engine feature of the app. It allows you to adjust the engine mapping and engine braking settings to suit the track conditions. Is the dirt tacky and deep? Turn up the throttle response. Is it slick and hard-packed? Smooth out the power delivery with a swipe of your finger. It's like having a factory mechanic sitting in your pocket, constantly helping you optimize the bike for the specific dirt you're riding on. This level of technology in a 125cc bike was unthinkable just 5 years ago. The ultimate momentum machine. Ultimately, the 2026 KTM 125SX is a masterclass in momentum. On a 450, you can be lazy, you can make a mistake in a corner, and just whiskey throttle your way out of it. On a 1 in 25, you have to be perfect. You have to carry your speed. You have to hit your marks. And you have to keep that engine singing in its happy place. The 2026 model makes the perfect ride more attainable than ever. The hydraulic Brembo clutch is buttery smooth, allowing for one-finger feathering to keep the RPMs high. And the Galfer brakes offer the kind of stopping power that lets you dive deeper into corners than anyone else on the track. It's a bike that challenges you. It asks you, are you fast enough to handle me? And when you finally find that flow, when you're clicking gears, the front wheel is light and the engine is screaming, there is no better feeling in the world of motorsports. KTM hasn't just built a motorcycle, they've built a time machine that takes you back to the purest form of motocross, while simultaneously pushing the boundaries of what a modern race bike can be. The final verdict. The 2026 KTM 125 SX isn't just an incremental update, it's a statement of intent. It proves that the two-stroke is not only alive, but thriving at the highest levels of technology. With its fuel-injected heart, retro-inspired purple accents, and the groundbreaking CUO digital integration, it remains the undisputed benchmark for the 125cc class. It's light, it's fast, it's reliable, and it's arguably the most fun you can have on two wheels. Whether you're a young ripper looking to make a name for yourself in the B class, or a veteran rider looking to rediscover the joy of the scream, this bike is ready to deliver. The competition is stiff, but KTM continues to move the goalposts. They've managed to take a bike that was already at the top of its game and make it smarter, tougher, and more stylish. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of nostalgia and cutting-edge tech, your search ends here. The 125SX is ready to race, and more importantly, it's ready to win. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the 2026 lineup, head-to-head shootouts, and the latest tech updates right here on Bike Future.